Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about my brand Darella Cosmetics. So I'm just going to quickly share some products that I launched with you guys recently, and if you're not following us already, I'll leave the details of the products and our website on the description box below, so feel free to check us out on Instagram, our website, and yeah, so let's get started. We've got 20 different lash styles, from dramatic lashes to date night look lashes to natural eyelash look to all styles of lashes you can actually imagine. Like, take for example the one I'm wearing right now. It's very dramatic and it's in the style glamorous, so depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, but on that gorgeous glamorous dramatic look, Darella Cosmetics is the way to go. So I'm just quickly going to show you guys some of our lashes and also our packaging as well. So the first eyelashes that I'm going to be showing you guys is this one right here. As you can tell, it's very natural looking and it's called Ola. Ola is a kind of lashes for someone that wants to do, that want to wear makeup every day and eyelash every day, but they don't want that dramatic look. They just want something very close to their own natural lashes. So that's why we recommend this Ola for you. If you're the type that you don't want to, you like your lashes, but you like your own natural lashes, but it's not as dramatic, but it's not as long as you want it. You want it a little bit longer and fuller, then we recommend this style Ola for you. And the next style in our collection, which is the Divas collection volume 1, which consists of like 15 eyelash styles and eyeliner and also eyelash glue and also a lace wig glue. So yeah, so this is also one of our natural lash look. It's called Drama Queen. Drama Queen is supposed to be like dramatic and all that, but we had to fine tune it and make it look a little bit dramatic and at the same time natural, so it can go in between. You can wear it for a you can wear it for a date night look, or also wear it to work, depending on you and depending on what look you're going for. But so far so good. This is Drama Queen. It's not too dramatic and at the same time it's not too natural, so it's in between natural and dramatic, so that's why we call it Drama Queen, if that makes sense. And another thing we've launched in this collection is this eyeliner eyelash adhesive. This glue is going to make your lash stay in place and at the same time your lash is going nowhere. Like, seriously, it dries completely invisible, so you have to wait for like 15 seconds for it to get tacky and apply your lashes. As you can tell, my lash is going nowhere. I use this to apply my eyelashes right now, and we have them in 2 shades. So if you're the type that like the white one, this is the white one, and if you like the black one, this is the black one. So as you can tell, there's black and there's also white, so depending on the one you really like, but they are both the same quality. They keep your eyelash in place and your eyelashes is going nowhere. Another thing that we launched lately is our eyeliner. This is Daria liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I already swatched it on my hand right there. As you can tell, it's really dark. I've been receiving a lot of reviews from you guys that the fact that the eyeliner is really dark and it stays in place, is going nowhere. I'm quite impressed with the reviews that I've got from you guys so far. As you can tell, it's really black, jet black, and it's waterproofed as well, so you can, when it's dried, in few seconds, when it's dried, it's going nowhere. Like, seriously, going nowhere. This is the type of eyeliner that you wear that even come rain come shine, your eyeliner is in place. Definitely waterproofed and your makeup is going nowhere. It lasts all day and it's smudge proof as well. Look at that, it's not budging. Look, it's not budging, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. Your eyeliner will be in place all day. This is also launched as part of our Divas collection, but you can buy it by itself on our website. I will launch on our website with the Divas collection is the lace adhesive glue right here, lace wig adhesive glue right here. I've actually used this in, you know, like 3 of my videos recently, and one is actually live on my channel, which was with the hair Eva's Air. So if you watch my Eva's Air lace wig install, I definitely used the Darella Cosmetics lace wig adhesive. Guys, your wig is going no. It gives that what lace kind of look because it dries down invisible and it dries down in seconds. A little goes a long way and you don't really need a lot. This jar would last you a lifetime because you don't need to apply a lot. All you need is just to apply as little as you need on your hair, and you can apply as much as 2-3 layers depending on you. But so far so good. In all my videos I normally use just 2 layers, and you guys will see in my upcoming video as well. But if you're curious to know how I use it, feel free to check out my Eva's Air wig video, and you see this glue in action. Like seriously, your wig is going nowhere. Melt the lace into your skin effortlessly, and it's quite affordable. It's just £15, guys, £15, and you last you a lifetime. So why not go check out Darella Cosmetics and grab yourself one of this lace wig adhesive, and you will thank us later. In the Divas collection volume 1 is the style Slay Queen. Slay Queen is looks like so. It's more like a natural eyelash, and it gives you that dramatic look but with a twist of natural look to it, if that makes sense. So it's also between that natural eyelash and dramatic eyelash, so depending on what look you're going for. But if you're in the mood for drama, go ahead and grab one, and if you're in the mood for natural look, go ahead and grab one, depending on what makeup look you're wearing and how you want to style your lashes. And this is definitely for you. Another lash in our collection is this lashes right here. It's called Fabulous. As you can tell, it looks fabulous. The name of the lash is called Fabulous, and it also looks fabulous. Fabulous is definitely a dramatic lash, like seriously. Although it's not as dramatic as the one I'm wearing right now, which is Glamorous, but Fabulous gives you that dramatic look with a twist of like not natural look, but a kind of look that you can wear anywhere, party, date night look, events and all that. So Fabulous is definitely there to make you look fabulous. So here it's called Flexi, guys. Look at that. Flexi is definitely flirty in the sense that it's very, very fluffy and very wispy. So if you're the type that like that dramatic wispy kind of lash, then Flexi is definitely for you. It's very, very full, as you can tell, and the length is 25 mm. So if you're the type that love long lashes, like when they see you, they see your lashes first, then Flexi is definitely for you. So in this collection we try to look at what people really want. So there's definitely something for you. If you're the type that like natural look, natural eyelash look, then there is something for you on the natural collection in the Divas collection volume 1. So if you're the type that like dramatic lashes but not too dramatic lashes, then we definitely have something for you as well. But if you're the type that you're like, I'm here, this is me, this is my lashes, look at my lashes, don't look at anyone else, then we definitely have something for you. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, but there's definitely something for everyone in this collection. And also there is another lash. So the next lashes in our collection is called Babe. Look at Babe, guys. Babe is definitely in the category of dramatic lashes. So in case you don't understand, look at that, guys. It's very, very wispy, fluffy, and lengthy and voluminous. So yeah, it depends on you and the look you're going for. I'm just gonna explain how our lashes are styled and how to know the right one for you. In the Divas collection volume 1, we've got 3 types of lashes and their styles. We've got the natural lash styles, which are the ones like Ola, Lily, and Lola. So those 3 lashes or 4 lash style, they are definitely for natural you know, kind of makeup look, or everyday kind of makeup look, or my lash but longer, or my lash but more voluminous. But when you move to the styles like fabulous, then you're definitely in between natural eyelashes and dramatic lashes. But when you move on to babe and fabulous and glamorous, then you are in that, you know, part where you think volume, length, and, you know, fluffiness is what I want. So drama, yeah, drama. So we have three categories of lashes: natural, medium natural, or if you're not sure of which one to go for, then definitely visit our website. The pictures shows you the true length and tone, the true length of each lashes, and you'll be able to tell if this lashes is for you or what lashes is for you on our website. So feel free to also follow us on Instagram, and we'll be having so many offers in the future or very soon. And also our Divas collection volume 2 is also coming soon, so feel free to check out our products, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, like and share. And if you think there's someone out there that will be interested in this video, please feel free to share it with them so they can check out our product. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you so much for all the positive feedback about Darella Cosmetics. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at PrettyLilyD and Darella Cosmetics. So yeah, so that's the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to say thank you guys for all your support. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for all the feedbacks on Darella Cosmetics. I have tried my best to explain so far what Darella Cosmetics is all about. I mean, the Divas collection is all about. So if there's anything or any product that you'd like to learn more about, please feel free to leave me a message on my Instagram DM, or send me an email, or leave a comment below. I will definitely reply you. And also, if there's anything else you'd like to know about, you know, Darella Cosmetics in terms of pricing, in terms of the styles that I've mentioned so far, please feel free to check out our website, and you'll be able to have more in-depth details about each and every products we've got on our website. And also, please bear in mind that our Divas collection volume 2 is launching this month on the 28th of January. You'll be able to, you know, purchase our Divas collection volume 2. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And also don't forget there is a 10% discount going on our website, so feel free to check that out as well. And you know, subscribe for our newsletter in case we have 3 for 2 offers, or we have 10% off, you know, just for updates on sales of all our products or our new launch products. So yeah, I think I'm laughing now. So yeah, that's it for today's look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for, you know, just being there for me, guys, because without you guys there would be no me. And yeah, I forgot to mention the fact that we are also on Instagram. Darella Cosmetics is on Twitter, so it's at Darella Beauty, no, it's at darellacosmeticsbeauty.com. so feel free to check out that on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook as well. Just type in Darella Cosmetics Beauty or Darella Cosmetics, then you'll be able to, you know, see all our, you know, videos, all the beautiful influencers that have shared their looks using our products. So you'll be able to have more in-depth details about our products. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.